Welcome to the series to prepare you for the CSI exams. Comment questions and you will receive practice questions to prepare you for the exam. What are the benefits of effective teamwork? When a project participant work together effectively as a team, the benefit extends to everyone involved. There is improved productivity, which reduces downtime, faster resolution of issues, and less rework. It also means lower cost because there are fewer claims and disputes, which means legal or administrative expenses are less. Higher morale. Everyone likes to work in a positive environment. A sense of shared accomplishment fosters a positive attitude and motivate workers to do their best. How about positive outcomes or collaboration? A cooperative approach to teamwork not only saves time, but also reduces the number of contract modifications required. This lowers the cost for both the owner and the contractor by minimizing delays. The team can achieve project goals more efficiently and move to a new project faster. How do you overcome disputes? Well, disputes can arise really through personalities or goals. So one way to avoid that is to change the team or to maybe talk about what the issues are and resolve that. Understanding the documents. We will shift gears to understanding the documents. First up, let's talk about these documents and why are they important. Just imagine building a Lego set without instruction. Chaos, right? Construction documents, or creativity, you can say. Construction documents are like those instructions of a Lego set. They tell everyone involved what to do and how to do it. These documents are created by architects and engineers and include everything from written instructions to detailed drawings. Of course, those detailed drawings are a design intent. Builder, or the constructor, the general contractor, are the ones who have the methodology on how to build based on the design intent of the designers. There are three main types of documents. The contract documents are the legally binding to the owner and the contractor. They describe the work, meaning what will get built. The reference documents are like the geotechnical survey. They are helpful but are not legally binding. Then you have the supporting documents. Things like the shop drawings, test reports that show specific parts of the work that will be done. Sometimes that test report might be a concrete slump test. Here's a little sample story. Picture this. You're building a house and the blueprint says use bricks. The contract document ensures those bricks meet the exact quality and size and standards written in the specification. It's the backbone of any construction project. Next, we have the contract documents. They include the agreement between the owner and the contractor, the conditions of the contract, like the general rules that everyone needs to follow, and the specification and drawings. They are one together, which show what needs to be built. Think of this as your GPS. They guide every step from pouring concrete to hanging drywall. Drawings are like the storyboards of construction. They show where things go, how big they are, and how they fit together. They are different types of drawings. You have plan views, elevation views, section and details. Section and details are what zooms into showing the specific parts of an assembly. For example, how a wall meets the roof. Everyone's done a zigzag puzzle, right? Reading the drawings is a bit like that. You have to put all the pieces together to see the full picture. Now, in more detail, resource drawings show what already is there, like the existing roads or buildings. They are great for reference, but aren't part of the legal contract. Think of it like the before photo of a makeover project. Now, shop drawings. Shop drawings are created by manufacturers or subcontractors. They aren't part of the contract, but they are super helpful at defining how things will be built. They show how specific parts like custom cabinets or steel beams will fit into the project. Specifications. It's what's produced by the architects or engineers. They are the written details about the project. They cover the general requirements, all the administrative stuff, the product information, for example, what materials will be used, and the execution, how to put it together. They are usually organized using sometimes what we call the master format. For example, Division 1 covers general requirements, while Division 2 through 49 go into specific materials of systems. Later on, we'll define what master format is, which is 50 parts. Imagine building a deck. The specs will tell you what type of wood to use, how to treat it, and even what screws to buy. It's all about ensuring the quality. After we've done all this, sometimes we have revisions, clarifications, and modifications. So let's talk about revisions. This happens when something in the project changes, like the last-minute update of a design. Changes are tracked in two ways, either through an addenda, which is the updates before the contract is signed, or change orders, updates during the construction. A change order can either maximize the cost of the work or minimize the cost of the work. Or sometimes a change order does not affect the time or the schedule. It might only affect the cost of the money of the project, meaning the money. One example is, let's say that the owner decides to change marble countertops instead of granite. That's change order, and it gets added to the contract.